Good morning. It's another beautiful day in the Dorset countryside, and I'm going to take you on a lovely little byway which has recently been repaired. The last time I tried to do this in the duster, we were at about a 45-degree angle and we got stuck and we had to get towed out. One of the few times we've actually towed out, but there we are. Anyway, it's all been repaired up in the woods now, so everything's great. I just want to say, got the Motorhead t-shirt on. Yesterday was Motorhead Day, which I'm sure you're aware. I had a few friends up in the Lemmy statue unveiling at Stoke-on-Trent, so R.I.P. big man. Anyway, let's do the byway. Okay. Let's hit this beautiful byway. Must admit, I'm not one for mud and puddles. I love it when it's nice and dry. You just about make out where there was actually macadam along here once upon a time. Slowly being taken back. Bluebells in the hedgerows, gorgeous. So it's not up to the left, it's here. The area that's been repaired recently. When I came up here, the duster, I come up with another gentleman in a chimney, and we were about a 45-degree angle along here. Thankfully, it's all been nicely repaired. Not only for us motorised users, but the equestrians as well. I don't think they could get a horse down here. Love a bit of woodland. Right, that area off to the left is off limits, and unfortunately people do have a play up here which they shouldn't be, but that's the way of the world. Hello, birdie. As you can see, there's a lot of rhododendrons down here. I've just seen one flower come out, or there's two, so I'm not 100% sure when that time of year is for the rhododendrons, but well, that one up there's got quite a bit on it. A squirrel. That is the end of that section of the byway. This section is actually another classification or another byway number, but obviously join on, and also you can go straight on as well. Just a little bit loose. This has all been cut back. This used to be really overgrown at one time. Do have a bit of wild camping down here.
I left the hall light on in case you come back home. I sent a text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home? I've been sleeping with the light on dim. The dark feels heavier without you in. And every chord I strike cries your name. Won't you come back home again? Stars fell out, the moon turned gray. The wind keeps whispering your name my way. I counted the hours, I folded the time, but nothing brings you back to mine. Still see your friends from time to time. They say you are doing fine. I smile and hold my breath and count to 10. Wish I could say the same. Wish I could say the same. Sleeping with the light on dim. The dark feels heavier without.
There we are, back on tarmac.
And every chord I strike cries.
Be careful here to the left, because people that live along there aren't expecting people to come down there.
Back home again. left the hall light on in case you come back home.
Oh, there's a child in a wheelbarrow.